Research use case. SciSpace as research assistants. Later, look at this SciSpace with the advantages of a literature review. We can read and synthesize PDF information, read multiple PDFs, and complete the comparison table at once. We can also read, write notes, read, and ask. Go to SciSpace.io. On the main page, you will find the word "do hours worth of reading in minutes." Look at the Literature Review channel. Literature Review. In this channel, what we do is type the variable that we are interested in, and he will immediately review the variable. He also has an example to try to ask or search for below. We type what we want to write about. For example, I want to write a paper about AI chatbots for learning. What he does is say that there will be in-depth information from the top 5 documents to show. The AI chatbot will automatically generate a literature review, citing the first paper for this point and the second paper for that point, and including reference numbers in the content. We can select more content from the paper bar on the right. There is an insight summary of brief details so that we can understand what this paper does. There are conclusions to summarize. There are methods used. There are results so that we can select whether this paper is about what we want to do or not. And there is also a journal name. If we don't make an English paper, how can we change it here to Thai? If you are interested in any paper, you can click to see the original. Or we may talk to the paper interested in this. Press Ask Copilot as well. Then type in the box, ask a question on this paper. For example, we would like to talk about this paper. Try typing and asking results. He will summarize the essence, and it can be an idea. We may have a paper on access from the University VPN, which you can summarize here. Click on Chat with PDF. Click on Upload PDF, and select the file to upload. The system will allow you to create a collection to organize your research papers for easy access. Click New Collection and name the folder, then click Done. When the file is loaded, you can ask where we don't know about it. This can be done by dragging the mouse and selecting the information area you want to ask. Try to give summaries. He also finished summaries. To help explain more, choose Explain Text, or We Want to Talk More, Can Talk. Later, it asked questions in PDF files. Look at the Ask Questions tab on the PDF tab. If we already have a PDF, we can upload it. Our paper will be shown on the left. We can ask through Copilot. Or explain the methodology of research. He will expand the data more. And we can also read the full article, that is open access. Come back to the home page and tap the Extract Data button. Extracting data is suitable for comparing many papers. By pulling up the information we uploaded and summarizing each paper, this allows us to compare multiple papers at once. In this example, I have 4 papers to compare. The result will show 4 files that we uploaded along with the original file that we previously uploaded. If there is any file we don't want to compare, we can delete it. The results are presented in a table. Additionally, we have a TLDR channel, which stands for Too Long, Didn't Read. This channel is designed to provide a concise summary of the research findings, reports, or documents, making it easier for readers to grasp the key points. And there is a reference in the content with a numerical system that comes from where in the paper. We can add columns for other results, such as populations and samples, problem statements, independent variables, and dependent variables. Let's look at the paraphraser bar as a rewrite that still reflects the original text so as not to copy the original text. For example, if we like the text of a paper, we would like to rewrite this story. Copy that message and paste it into the Right Here or try a sample text box. Then press the paraphrase button on the channel. The paraphrased result is in the right column. He will rewrite it, but still reflect the same message. You can choose the length. How much is the change different from the original? He wrote a new summary well. The reference still uses the same language. The language is still the same academic. Continue watching Episode 5.